Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today we're going to show you how to make a wonderful cappuccino and espresso coffee at home. And this is not the authentic way to make cappuccino in Italy, but I think it's much better. We're gonna use the Nespresso Inissia with the Aeroccino. I will place a link in the description. Okay, so we have our Nespresso Inissia machine here. You need to open, place one of these capsules. You can find this capsule on Amazon too. I will place the link in the description. But now you can find almost everywhere. Okay, place inside. Put this there. Then we click. Now we will take our cappuccino container and we'll place milk reaching the line. When you close, there, and we push a button. You can see the milk starts spinning. Make sure to use the frost ring. Meanwhile, the coffee, it's already done. I like long, so it's not really an espresso. But if you want an espresso, you need to just push the first button, so it will be very, very small. Okay, after about a minute, you get your milk, and look how dense is the foam. Very cool. So now my trick is to just pour the milk at first and then pour the foam. Super cool. Let's put everything. More foam. Olé. And I use this 2% milk, but if you use the full milk, the red cap, maybe we'll get a lot more. I will show you also the ring that I was talking about. This one is the ring. They will vibrate and for frosting, because there is a little spring around. You can see the inside. Now it's dirty. To clean, you need to put water and clean. You don't put this in the dishwasher because this part here contains all the electronic circuits. So you can put some water, but don't submerge in water. So this is, I would prefer, it would be great if this top will unscrew so you can put in the dishwasher, but no, everything is one block. And it's very cool. Anyway, the frost ring, you place it, and then there is like a magnet, it will stay in place. And however, it will vibrate, so I don't know how can you vibrate. There are no really contact, it's just that. Very nice, very nice. And ta-da! Look at that. To achieve this one in Italy, or if you buy those expensive coffee machine, there is the steam, and then you need to do like that for 2 minutes. Very painful, very hard. Instead you put milk inside, close, push the button, and done. That's it. So this one alone cost about $99.79 on Amazon. But if you buy the full package, I spend $150. Full package also give you for free 20 of this capsule. Well, like I said, those capsules now I can buy at my grocery store here, the Lavazza, or you can buy online a big pack and you can save money. Instead, if you buy from Nespresso, it may cost more. They are good, but they may cost more. So I advise to buy everything on Amazon. I will place the link in the description. See you later for another great video. Bye. Wow.